Right, how about if you try to apply a non-parametric test to a scenario, a data set. Let's have you try a non-parametric test. So I've got a grocery store, and they decide to do a contest to see which cashier can put as many items through the Scantron as possible and average out the items per minute that they put through in a shift. So we have the top 4 cashiers data here for 25 shifts, so over a month plus of work. And is there a statistical winner? So did somebody actually win the contest? And we're saying it's appropriate to do this non-parametric test because at least one of the cashiers' data is not normally distributed. It might be cashier 2. You can see a little right skew and a little outlier out here. So hopefully you had a chance to give that a try. Let's see what I came up with for a solution. So I used Kruskal-Wallis. I had more than 2 levels, so I have 4 cashiers. When I open that up under the non-parametric test, I'm going to have items per minute is my response, and cashier is my X with 4 different levels. When I hit OK and do the test, I find the p-value is 0, right? So at least one median is different than the others. And if I take a quick gander over here, it looks like cashier 3 is my winner. Their median is 20.4 items per minute. They got a nice big high Z value. Looks like cashier 1 was my lagger. They got a big negative Z value, so they're on the lower side. Did a little interval plot down here that shows again cashier 3 out on top. So we did have statistically significant differences in the items per minute, and it looks like cashier number 3 is our winner. It would also be appropriate to use the Moods median test. So if you did that, I've got my dialog box filled in here and the results. So again, my p-value is 0, so one of the medians is not like the other. And again, we see cashier 3, if I look at it kind of like a sign test, 24 out of 25 of their item per minute on a shift were above the grand median. And if I look at any overlap here, I've got the confidence intervals for those medians. So let's see, does it have the overall median? My median of 20 here, 20.4 is just outside cashier 2. So cashier 2 was almost a statistical tie, but not quite. So we can still deem cashier 3 as the overall